Right here, I shared this with my students and 27 likes and 50 comments already. And I just posted this 22 hours ago, so my students are really excited about this, so I'm happy about that. Alright, so now to take a look at this editor that I've been talking about. My students have really enjoyed it. I used it and I really enjoyed it. If you want to know where you can find it, by the way, I have a link in the description. That is an affiliate link. I will get a small commission for that, but that's not why I'm showing you guys this. I'm literally showing it because I use it and I like it a lot, and my students are thanking me like crazy for all this stuff that I've showed them. So if you just scroll through all these comments here, there's a lot of students here. Thanks for thinking of all of your customers. Stuff these guys make is always really good. I got so stressed I wanted to give up because my laptop kept crashing. This will save me a lot of time. Thanks. This is what I've been looking for because my laptop is so slow due to downloads. Got fed up with 3-hour uploads. Thanks, Jordan. This is sweet, much better than Lumen 5. Thanks, I needed this. Looks amazing. See, so a lot of my students were having trouble because it was taking them 4 to 5 hours to export videos. So with this right here, the cool thing is basically think of it like Canva for video editing. So it's all cloud-based over the internet, which means you don't have to be limited by how fast your computer is. So I have a GTX 1080 graphics card and an i7 processor. So my computer can do a 10-minute export in about 10 minutes on Adobe Pro. But for some of you guys, you have slow computers, you have slow graphics cards, slow processors, and that means it could take 3-4 hours for you to edit videos. So because of that, if you're downloading and reposting videos, you don't actually edit the video because you don't want to take so long. Then you end up kind of getting demonetized if you don't do it the right way. Because you need to start editing videos, and that's what I kind of talk about inside my course and teach you how to do correctly. But if it takes you 4 or 5 hours, that's not going to help you out. So that's where I found this for you guys. It's all cloud-based, so it's all based on, you know, the internet. So it's all, you know, the export's going to take the same amount of time no matter what computer you're on. In my estimation, it's taking me personally about half an hour for the actual export to download. And then once it's rendered on your account, it stays there, and then literally you click download. It takes 5 seconds to download. The other cool thing about it is that if you're using YouTube videos, you don't have to download the videos. So before you had to download YouTube videos, then put them in an editor. With this, you just give it the link and it automatically goes in. It's really cool. So let me show you how it works here. And probably the coolest thing about this is you can edit from anywhere. So you can literally, everything you do is on your phone. So you can log into this same thing on your phone, edit the video completely on your phone, or you can start on your phone, then go to a computer, then go into another computer. So normally I'm stuck down here editing straight from my computer, but now I can edit from any computer. I can switch to my laptop, then go on a plane, and then freaking, you know, edit from another side of the country on my laptop, and then, you know, finish up on my phone if I want. So it's really nice to be able to jump around and edit no matter where you are, instead of being stuck on that one computer. So as you can see, you can start by uploading your own video. So if you have your own video that you made, you can put your own video in there and start with that. The other really cool thing is you can start with Shutterstock videos and pictures. Now, for those of you who don't know about Shutterstock, like if you go to footage, right, and you go to the Shutterstock video page, look at this. If you go to pricing, 5 HD clips is $359, guys. 10 clips is $669, and it's $25 for 1,579 clips. You get that for free, guys, when you get an account with Klippyo. So that's really cool, because those are all Creative Commons royalty-free videos that you can add to your videos to help make the video your own. Because as you know, YouTube said it is allowed to, you know, reuse content as long as you make it your own, and that's where the editing comes in, and then that's where this will help you out, because then you can add some stock footage to it. And I mean, you can literally look for anything. Like you type in basketball and you're gonna get all these basketball videos that you can literally put in. And normally you have to pay hundreds to thousands of dollars to get this Shutterstock stuff, and you get it for free to put into your stuff. So that's really, really cool. So if you wanted to start with, say we wanted to make like a basketball montage video. So all we'd have to do is go in here and be like, basketball crossovers, best basketball crossovers, right? So we'll do like this one right here. So all you gotta do is take this link, click YouTube, and then enter the URL. And then if you click My Media, you'll see that the video is right there. So then you can click Create Project here, which is super cool. Alright, my camera died, so I just switched to another one. Hopefully it doesn't look too different. And so anyways, so now we have that video in here. So as you can see, we have the entire clip that we downloaded from YouTube without even having to download it, which is really, really cool, right? And then, so we're going to want to get out that intro. So all we have to do is go like that, and that's literally going to get the intro out. This is some of the stuff I teach in the course about how to stay monetized, you know, not get your channel in trouble, how to make it your own, things like that, things you need to know that other people don't teach. So you get that intro out right there, and then if you go like that, you can literally just do this. And, you know, if there was a watermark that he had on the bottom or something, you could cover that up by zooming in. And then zooming in is a good way to kind of change the picture so that you don't get demonetized and stuff like that. And then you'll have these commentators, right? So sometimes those will hit the filters as well, the bots, right? So one thing that you can do, and you can do all this stuff with this editor, and it's all online, which is what makes it so cool. So then you can come in here and you can bring in royalty-free music. So you can click add, and then you can literally search for audio. You could type like, I don't even know, rap. Let's see if rap works. So yeah, you can bring in like rap songs and stuff like that. These might not be rap, I don't really know. But anyway, yeah, we'll just add this one for now. All right, and now if we go and click this, it's adding the music in right now. There it is, okay. So as you can see, now we have music, right? So then if you wanted to take some of the commentary out, or at least make it more quiet, if you go to the middle over here, there's a little audio thing, and if you bring this down, then you can lower the volume of this. So you can do all of this stuff. You can bring in free, copyright-free music, and then YouTube videos without having to download anything. So then, if you wanted to go in and add more videos, you could. So this is how it's really easy to put multiple videos together without even having to download them and then putting them into an editor. So now we could go back into YouTube. We could find another link of some more crossovers if we wanted to. And then, you know, you're making the video your own because you're putting multiple videos together, make a compilation type thing. So then you could take a second video, put that in the URL just like we did the first one. Then you could bring that into your project. So then that would go at the end, and then you would have 2 videos on one video without even having to download anything, guys. So that's really cool. Then, like I showed you, you can bring in music and all that. And then you can bring in like pictures and stuff. So all your uploads stay there. So if you have a logo that you have, so I have like a cartoon logo, right? So then you could just add that as an overlay. And so if you have a logo, you can literally have it saved in your account. And then any video you do, you can literally bring in every single time without having to re-download it or anything. And what's really cool, guys, the coolest thing about this software is that you can literally use it from anywhere, including your phone, okay? So this is one thing that's really, really cool about this. So as you can see here, this project we're working on right now is literally on my phone. So I just logged into the account on my phone. And you can edit this entire video the same way you can on the computer on your phone. So that means you can edit and upload videos to YouTube from anywhere with your phone. Or, you know, sometimes you have logos that are only on one computer, or videos that you want to import, like an intro or something that you have on your computer. So then you got to do it from that computer. Or you have a powerful computer and that's the only one you use for editing. Now you can literally use any computer you want from anywhere. So you can move to a different computer, a different laptop. You can be on the road, bring your laptop, edit on that, and then edit on your phone. Everything that we just did is literally on my phone right now. So everything I just did is on the phone, and I could sit here and edit it on my phone as well. So that's something that's really, really nice about this, because now I'm not limited to just editing on my powerful computer in my room. I can take this on the go, log into my account from my laptop. I'll have all my intros, all my videos, all my music uploaded to Klippyo, and that makes it really easy for me to edit different videos and make them my own from the road, which is really important to me. And then you can do memeify. So you could do something like this, where you could memeify it here. This is freaking stupid. All right, so as you can see here, you can do a memeify type thing. So you could type in like ankle breakers, just like that. And so now you're really making the video your own, right? Or if they had some watermarks on the top or bottom, it's really easy to cover them up that way. So now we've added music. We have taken out their intro, and then you can literally make it really small if you want to. So you can, you know, put multiple clips together and then just lower them down to make, you know, different montages and things like that. And then you can add like text and stuff. So we can do add right here, and we could do animations right here. So we could add this, right? And then if you go down to here and click here, you can take this and then you just edit this real quick. So it can be like highlight kings. So if your channel name was highlight kings, then you could do this right here. And I like to use bangers. It's a cool looking one. Just like this. All right, there we go. So see, so you can add text to it, and then you can move that wherever you want too. So literally, you can do all of that stuff just from this. You don't even have to, you know, do anything. You don't have to download any software. You don't have to download any of the videos. You don't have to download any music. You get all these millions of, you know, free copyright-free music and videos and images that you can import. You can also do emojis. So you can do, you know, any emoji you want to do as well. So you can really make this video your own without having to do very much work at all. And then you can just pull that through the entire video if you wanted to. And now you got a video that's your own, and you really didn't have to do much work for it. And one of the coolest things is this right here, which is aspect ratios. So you can do a video for Facebook, you could do a Facebook ad video, an Instagram, you can do a square Facebook ad, a square story, you can do vertical Instagram TV, Instagram story, and then of course you'd have to re-edit this to make it fit by going to media and dragging that down till it fits. But guys, that right there is really, really nice, because before you would have to, if you wanted a video for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, you would have to go in separately, and you would have to download a video with a YouTube resolution, then make one for an Instagram resolution, then make one for a Facebook story resolution, and you would have to sit there and export 3 different videos to do that. Now you can make 3 different ones with literally, you know, 3 different clicks. So that right there in itself is really, really nice. So guys, this is a really awesome software. It's really, really nice to be able to do all of those things, to edit text, to add copyright-free music, to download YouTube videos without having to do any downloading. You don't have to download the software. You don't have to download the YouTube videos. You can just import them and then put them together. You can, you know, put all the text in that you want. You can put your watermarks in, and all that stuff stays on your account. It only takes, you know, a few minutes for it to actually render, and then it takes a couple seconds to download to your computer after it's rendered. And it's all through the internet, so you can move from anywhere you want. You don't have to be stuck on one computer like I usually am. You can jump from laptop to phone, back to laptop, and work on one project from 6 different devices in 5 different places if you want to. And you can do it all with your phone, and you can do all that stuff. So it's really, really cool. My students have really loved it so far. So anyways, it's really awesome. I've really enjoyed it. So if you guys want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link that I have right there down there in the description for you. One thing that's really cool, if you guys know who Daryl Eves is, Daryl Eves actually endorses this right here. So he's a YouTube king, right? Everyone knows who he is as far as building YouTube channels. Daryl Eves uses this software. He promotes this software. He helped work on the software. So that's really cool. And then on top of that, the thing is you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you have 30 days to return it, which is a really generous policy by them. And I definitely recommend you get to $97. Now, the big thing here is that this is a special early bird price. And I asked them how long they're going to be doing this, and they said, probably only another week or two. And normally this is $197 a month, but they're taking $100 off and giving you a one-time price of $97. So normally you have to pay $197 a month, guys, to get this. A month. This is a one-time price of $97, so you definitely want to get in before they end that. That's a really great deal for everything that you get. So if you guys want to take a look at it, link in the description. I will get a commission on that if you click the link, so I would appreciate if you guys did that. But that's it for this one. Hopefully this helped you out. Get in before that countdown timer ends. Remember, I told you guys, these course prices are going up in a day and 9 hours. That's like 24 hours from now. A day and 9 minutes. That's like 24 hours from now, guys. So $165 will be the course price on Make Money on YouTube. The Advanced Masterclass is going up to $195. So get in before that ends. And also, guys, come in and join these 198 students that have come in June. We're going to end up having over 200 new students this month, so it's really exciting. Welcome to everyone who has come, and I can't wait to work with you guys, so jump in before that price ends and before I shut down enrollment altogether. All right, that's it. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.